Hi, welcome. It's Sla. Today we are going to talk about birds because why not? The most common information about birds is they have two wings. Woo! Yes, exactly. And the most dangerous bird species is the hawk. Hawks never show mercy to their prey and kill them with their hard claws. I think hawks are scary. And the cutest bird species is budgies. I had a yellow budgie, and its name was Daisy. It's lived with me for uh, 10 years. Budgies imitate their hosts. That's why my birds used to sleep all the time. I don't know, maybe that's why Daisy lived so long. I'm so sorry it that, but if it had continued to live after 10 years, I would doubt it was a bird. Another species, the doe, cannot live apart from its mates. And if one of the spouses dies, the other birds also dies of sadness. I hope my future husband will be like a doe. And by the way, we have a nest. My father and I built a nest 5 years ago. Those came there every year, and I can see the baby birds. They're so cute, and they have tiny beaks and wings. Uh, you won't find this information anywhere else. Um, they eat worms, grow, and lay eggs. I think I gave the race information, and now you know the all information about birds. Don't forget to like my video if you want more information. Thank you.